Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Upankaj Arora unong mi ikmat ka National Council for Teachers Education hakano ophaisni ka aphunyo tarik urumphang arhaja apusan ulapalong da ka National Conclave arhajar apusan ka ba arsni ha multi-use convention hall ka university ha ka arphunyo bat abupra tarik urumphang arhaja apusan haringkat ka Jingpyntrei lang bat ka North Eastern Hills University kum ka Jingpyntrei la di ki samla ka Ncte la mingi kari India ki badan Jingtrang ban pentebet yala di Katkum High School College pada ke University. Ya kani la pensngau ha ka ba ulaong ba kani ka conclave ka deban penwan dor shu ya kinong hikai Katkum ki kendon bar rukom Pynlong kam ya ka National Education Policy arhajar arpho. Ulaong ru ba ka Ncte kan pelela ru ya ki samla ki balayo kam yo jam baken beteng ya ka jingpule pentebet kum kinong hikai ha ki Bachelors of Education program ba pher ka Integrated Teachers Education program na lor ki wede ki jingpule.
Structure, Ncte is gearing up to bring transformation into teacher education to meet the expectations of school structure, which is a new structure 5+3+3+4. In 5 years, first 5 years, a child will be undergoing the stage which is known as foundational stage. Then 3 years of preparatory stage, which is class 3, 4 and 5. Then middle stage, which is class 6, 7 and 8. And then secondary stage, which is 9, 10, 11 and 12. So earlier our teacher education program was structured to cater the needs of 10+2 school system. Now we are transforming those teacher education programs and bringing 4 stages of teacher education specialization according to the 5+3+3+4 stage which has been proposed for school education. So in that context, on 20th February, Ncte has got its new regulations 2025 and 9 revised upgraded teacher education programs in the light of NEP 2020. And those new norms and standards for 9 teacher education programs and Ncte regulations 2025 have been put in public domain for larger consultation with all the stakeholders, be it community, parents, students, teachers, educators, policymakers, curriculum developers. We are here to have open house discussion with all the stakeholders. So in that context, what Vidyaji was mentioning, we are here in the first national 2 days conclave where Honorable Governor of Meghalaya was chief guest in the morning. He gave his ideas and understanding about teacher education and the need of teacher education. He specifically mentioned the need to have specialized teachers for art education and physical education. And we are glad to announce that Ncte has got these 2 specializations as part of teacher education program in the domain after class 12. So this is the background with which we came here. We would be happy to answer your questions related to school structure, how teachers are going to meet there, what are the different specializations we are proposing under teacher education. If you want, I can give you name of those 9 teacher education. We have got ITEP program as appendix 1 of these regulations. ITEP arts education as appendix 2 of the regulations. ITEP physical education as appendix 3 of the regulations. ITEP Sanskrit education as appendix 4 of regulations. ITEP yoga education as appendix 5, Bachelor of Education B.Ed 1 year program as appendix 7. Now B.Ed 1 year program was not there till 2025. It was there till 2014, but in 2014 it was shut down because of multiple reasons. I will not go into detail of those. But why it is bringing back, I would be happy to help you understand. Education policy has proposed that teacher education should be open for different age group and different academic background people. To Nehu is the first of its kind, where we are bringing lot of transformative tools in the form of regulations 2025 in place. and to help people understand these regulations, to have their feedback, to have their suggestions. The new governance model which is proposing reach out to the stakeholders. Under that guidelines of Ministry of Education, we thought we should go to the field, and this is our first visit to Shillong in that context. So we'll be visiting more regions, like in March 3rd week we are visiting Ahmedabad, Gujarat for similar conclave. And in the field of teacher education, Ncte is bringing multiple changes, multiple upgradation with specific context of National Education Policy 2020. Education Policy 2020 has proposed overhauling of education in India. In that line, NCERT has brought a new school structure in place by bringing Bal Vatika study material and textbooks in the year 2022, curriculum framework for foundational stage. And 2023, they brought curriculum framework for secondary school, comprehensive integrated teacher education program after class 12. So Ncte has brought 4-year integrated teacher education program after class 12. The students who will qualify class 12 and decided to come for school teaching, they can join ITEP. But if some students decide at a later stage that yes, they want to become school teachers, maybe after graduation. So if they exit after 3 years of graduation, they can come for 2 years of B.Ed. And if they decide after 4 years of bachelor degree or even after master degree, they can come for 1 year B.Ed program, which is proposed under Appendix 7. So this is a holistic approach where we want all the aspirants to join the profession of school teaching. So in one way we call it inclusive program because it's inclusive of everybody. Whosoever wants to be, there is a special window for them to come in and join the profession, as well as to take off individuals' interest wherever they want to go. The way education policy has proposed, let students decide what course, what specialization, what interest area they want to pursue. So policy has opened the door, so is Ncte opening door for all the stakeholders to come and do any program. And Appendix 8 and 9 are about Master Degree in Education, which is popularly known as MEd. Till date, since 2015, we had 2 years of MEd program. Now, Education Policy 2020 has proposed a new National Credit Framework, and in that National Credit Framework, at 6.5 stage, policy has proposed to go to 1 year master degree, which is at par with international standards of master degree, as well as Education Policy has proposed 1 year master degree. All other disciplines, be it BSc, students can do. If they have done 4-year bachelor's in sciences, they can go for 1 year master's in sciences. If they have done MA, BA honors political science for 4 years, now they can come for 1 year master's in political science. So at par with all other programs in the country, teacher education programs are being brought parity in the programs, not only nationally but internationally.